Hi, I'm Pete Ellahorst, Director of Partner Development here at Crown Plastics. I'd like to welcome you to another edition of the Crown Advantage newsletter. Today we're going to introduce you to the wide world of adhesives. I know that many of you are very familiar with the fact that we produce all of our DuraSurf products with an adhesive backing, so it makes them very easy to install. But one of the things a lot of you may not realize is the variety of adhesive systems that are available. And it's very important to understand that because each application may require a different type of adhesive system. Now, our standard adhesive that we like to use is from Avery Dennison called an 8345. This is a rubber-based adhesive system. Actually has a carrier web in there. And you can see how much integrity that this product has due to the carrier web. The rubber adhesives are going to max out to the first thing they touch, which in this case is my finger, so you have to be careful how you handle them. But they are, due to the fact that they're very aggressive, they will work with almost any type of substrate. The downside to these rubber adhesives, though, is that they are very susceptible to certain environmental conditions. They don't like elevated temperature, they don't like UV, they don't like moisture. Okay? It's been very important to know that. In those sorts of applications, what we're going to do is we're going to lead to an acrylic adhesive system. Now, one that we like to use right now from Avery is the Avery 1125. This is a cross-linked acrylic. Has very high temperature resistance, very good shear strength, and again, this is a transfer tape. It doesn't have the carrier web in there, but you can see how this adhesive stretches. This is what they call a very hard adhesive, so it has a lot of elasticity to it. But this also has very, very good chemical and moisture resistance. So if you're dealing with a food processing facility where they do wash downs, this is probably the product that we're going to recommend. Now, you may have a situation where you are working with a low surface energy substrate such as a powder coated steel. The 1125 is not going to have high enough adhesion to go to the powder coated steel. And if this is going to go outdoor, well, then we can't use the rubber. So in this case, we're going to go with an Avery 1126. This is a tackified acrylic. The one thing you'll also find out with adhesive systems is you can't put something in without taking something away. Now, in this case with the Avery 1126, they add tackifier to make this adhesive more aggressive, but you lose some of that shear strength. As you can see, the adhesive comes off in pieces. It doesn't have the elasticity that the 1125 would have. So these are all things that we have to learn, and a lot of it comes with asking the proper questions. What sort of environment is this going to be in? The more we can learn about the application, we can make sure that we recommend the proper adhesive system. We have a wide range of adhesives available. Avery also has a UHA line, or an ultra high adhesion line. They've recently come out with their HPA, or their high performance acrylics. We also have access to 3M's adhesive line, including their VHB, which are very high bond. Now, some of those come at a premium price, but again, some of them may require those high adhesion products. The thing to recommend, or the thing to remember, is that prescription without diagnosis is malpractice. We've got to ask the correct questions. If you're not sure, be sure to call us and ask us the correct questions so we can make sure we recommend the right product for the application. If we do that, our chances of success are going to be much better. We appreciate you checking in with us, and please, if you have any questions, feel free to just give us a call. Thank you very much.